everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gifty and today we're going to Costco to do some shopping for Ghana. I'll bring you the journey of how it's like, and yeah, let's get started. We just finished shopping at Costco and we bought so many things that we feel like we might not easily find in Ghana, or it's probably in Ghana but quite expensive. One of the things that we absolutely really wanted to buy was spices in there, and this because in Ghana I went there in April and it was a bit expensive out there, so we just bought really big bulk ones and it was really worth it. The line going into it was super long. Now it's about 12:50 p.m. and the line is non-existent. So if you want to do a really big shop on a Saturday on Costco, definitely recommend going around noon time. So now we're in an Uber, just packed all the things in here. We sold our car the other day, so we're taking an Uber home to bring all of these stuff and try to pack them in these boxes that we're going to do door-to-door shipping to Ghana. After putting everything at home, we're going to go to a shopping center, get some clothes for Ghana, which I'm super excited about because Ghana's hot, so I'm looking for nice dresses, but also it can rain there, so I'm looking for things that I can just get that's related to rain and summer hot weather. So yeah, and I'll bring you on that journey too. So the car is packed with things, as you can see. And it's bumpy in here. Right, catch you later. just got back home. We just dropped everything off, and now we're off to the mall just to get some clothes for Ghana, and I'll bring in that process as well. And yeah, so we mostly got some toilet papers, lots of spices like I said before. I got candy because I'm obsessed with candy, and just little things like that, and some Knorr spice, chicken spice, got ketchup. I find ketchup is one of those things that like it tastes different in every country. So we got ketchup, baked beans. I am obsessed with baked beans. If you know me, then you know I love baked beans. And yeah, little things that from Costco. Most of the things you probably can find in Ghana, but it is pricey, so it's just nice to just have it already in the house. If we run out, then of course we'll get some in Ghana, but it's just nice to have these things already in the house. So yeah. So I just got back home from all the shopping we did, and yeah, I want to quickly show you the boxes that we're using to do door-to-door shipping. So here you go. So this is the company that we're using. I don't know if you can see it. This is the company that we're using, and basically it takes about 3 to 4 weeks to get to Ghana, and it's door-to-door shipping. What I like about this company is that whenever you are ready, you just call them, say, hi, I'm ready, my 4 whatever box is ready. They come pick it up, bring in the truck, and do door-to-door shipping for you, which takes about 3 to 4 weeks, like I said before. So this is what we're doing. One box is going to be strictly all food going to Ghana, and like I said, I bought a whole bunch of spices, some chips, some stuff that like I feel like you can't easily find in Ghana. I'm just gonna put it into one of the boxes, and that's it. So yeah, so I'm just gonna start packing a little bit, not all, just a little bit, and yeah. non-stick baking parchment paper because I personally love to bake. I don't know how easy it is to find in Ghana, so I bought a really big one. It's 50 meters, and I love baking, so that's something I definitely want to get. I also got some film wrap and some foil as well from Costco. As I mentioned before, I believe I got this big toilet roll from Costco as well. I believe it was £7 at Costco, which is or 7 or 13 pounds, which is pretty cheap if you're comparing it to when you get it from just if you're in the UK, Sainsbury's, Tesco, and stuff like that. The only thing I couldn't find at Tesco is Dettol wipes. These big ones. I usually get these from Amazon. They come in a pack of 6. I'm gonna get these from Amazon, a lot of them, because Dettol wipes are really hard to find in Ghana. And yeah, so that's the only thing I'm gonna do. Now I'm going to show you my shopping that I did for clothes for Ghana. I'm super excited. And yeah, I'll finish all of this later. We're gonna buy one more box because we felt like we needed to put our clothes in. And oh yeah, one more thing. We bought a taco kit. I believe this was £7. No, I think £5 actually. I double check. And it comes in a pack of 4, and it serves. It says it serves for 4 amigos, for 4 people. So I'm in my bedroom now, and yeah, I went to Primark, like I said, to do some shopping for Ghana. Like I said, I'm teaching there, so our dress code is we can wear mostly anything we want, just can't wear jeans. We can't show our shoulders, so I bought lots of dresses who are basically short sleeve, and I bought some skirts. I can wear just a plain white top with it. There are so many plain white tops at Primark for £2.50, so I bought about like 3 of each color. I'm probably gonna go back again to buy more, and everything that I bought in here came up to £103. So yeah, but I'm still gonna buy some more things. Just show you some things I bought, and I'll tell you the price as well. That's all the shopping I got done for today for Ghana, and yeah, still bits more to do. I'm glad we got to go to Costco, and I'm glad we got to go to Primark to get some few bits and pieces for Ghana. And yeah, that's pretty much it. My Saturday errands for moving to Ghana. And yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Ooh.